how to stop all third-party apps on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop all third-party apps on your iPhone from running in the background, sending notifications, or accessing certain permissions. If you're looking to control which apps can use data or run processes on your phone, this video is for you, so let's dive right in. First, let's start by controlling which apps can run in the background. Simply head over to the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on General. Then select Background App Refresh. Here you can either turn off Background App Refresh completely or toggle it off for individual apps. Disabling this will prevent apps from updating content in the background, saving battery and data. Next, let's stop apps from sending you unwanted notification. Go back to main settings menu and simply tap on notifications. After you've done that, simply you will see a list of your apps and tap on any of the apps that you don't want a notification for and simply choose on or simply toggle off allow notifications, and that will help you prevent from getting unwanted notifications. Now let's review app permissions. Go back to settings and simply tap on privacy. Here you can choose what permission third-party apps have. For example, if you don't want an app accessing your location, tap on location services, find the app and set it to never, like this. Or you can also choose while using the app. Here, repeat this process for the categories like photos, microphone and camera to control what information apps can access. Now, to stop from automatically updating, simply go to settings and search for App Store. From there, simply toggle off automatic downloads from here, which is here, and it will stop your apps from automatically updating without your permissions. Finally, if there are any apps you're no longer using, consider logging out or deleting them to stop them from running in the background or sending notification. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop third-party apps from running in the background, sending notification or access